Hello and welcome back to another Command 998 video. Today, as you might have noticed, it's once again another train set review. As I might want to know, this video won't be up to the holidays. So if you're watching this should be around the school holidays or later. But when this was filmed it was the 8th of June, and this will be released on the 1st of July. As all reviews, as I said, have been delayed, but now they're all coming on holidays except the last holiday that will have 2 reviews. So let's go back to the train. It's a new train set that my father bought for me while I was at camp. But yes, I was at school camp at Coonawarra. It's a good camp that got quite a bit, but the river over there got a bit flooded for one day. Anyway, back to the train set. It's a Bachmann Outback hauler, a iron ore trains of Australia, complete and ready to run HL electric train set. Just to notify, all reviews are all been done with tripods. This time the tripod's been done low, so it's easier to use. It's got Bachmann's Easy Track system, so I'll have a look at the tracks, because I have, as what people would know, I have is the normal things like this. This is the Hornby Snap Track, the R609 Snap Track. So we'll have a look at the Easy Track. Okay, I'll drop that there. Okay. On the side has the picture of the train with its carriages, and just says Outback Cola and so on, blah blah blah. They're not all the same thing. And here is some pretty nice. Here's a nice picture that was taken in Western Australia by over there. That guy. I have no idea who he is. So that's a American Dash 8. I thought it was a Dash 40 cm, and this one's a 40 cm. A Dash 8 40 cm, a Dash 8 for Dash 8 Dash 40 cm. Anyway, and that's a SD40 over there with a whole ore train. It goes all the way up there. Oops. And if you can read, there's a bit of information there. Actually, I might go in closely for you so you can read. Just pause the video wherever you want to read. So yeah, there's some good bit of information there, and they have all the other fun layouts that it says there to have. But as you might have known, I've already got my own layout up. And it comes with the Easy Mate couplings. That is also the same as the no knuckle couplers. And there's the speed controller with wall plug-in, and that's what it comes with. It comes with a HLG scale General Electric Dash 8 Force 40 cm BHP, 4 HL scales all wagons, speed controller with wall pack, 12 pieces of HL scale 18 radius curve Easy Track, HL scale 9 straight terminal re-roller Easy Track, and HL Scale 9 Straight Easy Track. Illustrated Instructions and Manual. Illustrated Instruction Manual. And that's, I have no idea what it's supposed. And it's by Bachmann. For ages 14 now. But I'm very, very tired. Anyway, as this is still in its plastic, so I have to get it chopped out of its plastic. Bear with me. I'll stop the camera for a second and I'll be back in a moment. Okay, after a minute's struggle, I finally got it open on this side. As the plastic wrapper is on it, so I had to cut the plastic. Okay, there's two boxes, one cardboard, one plastic. I'll take the cardboard one out first. No, just bear with me. I'll just start quite hard again. Wait. Should have chosen to do better. Now I'll put the box over there where the train is still, and we'll have a look at what we come in here first. Oh, sadly we come with steel track that I don't really like because it's not very good to my trains. But because these are brand new steel track, it shouldn't do anything harmful. So let's get it out. I've just got it out. Here are the turns of the easy track. They're not like Atlas where the rails come out. Sadly, I like Atlases. Yeah, of what I've seen. And pretty much with easy track, you just line up the rail joiners like that, and the track connectors. And actually, that's quite easy. If you didn't see what I just did, just do it again. This time in front of the camera. If you got it correct in, you will go in easier. There we go. Straight in. I won't be using it much. And there's the other pack, but I won't take it out. Here's the instruction manual. Easy track system. And all the parts with the GE. I'll have to open the top later. We might need it. Anyway, now in here, as you might be able to see, you see a Bachmann logo. This package is really tough. Let's see if there's any. Oh, one second. I have to steal my scissors again. This might be a long review, so I think this might go in two parts because of how much struggling I am with this, because Hornby's one is so easy. There's the controller. It's got a nice feel to it. It's actually got a feel to it, not like the Hornby ones that got hardly any feel. Oh, damn it. We'll have a look at the Bachmann Easy Track in a second. Because it's kind of that out, I think. This is quite hard because this is I've never okay. Here we have the transformer. It's output of 16 volts. Okay, there's the Australian type. Oh, there's just two, and there's normally, yeah, there's also one here, I think. But I'll stop the. I need to stop the camera again just to get the straights out. Yes, finally got it out. There's the line of the revealer, and here's the straight that I just dropped. Anyway, is this supposed to be a coupling magnet? Let's have a look. I'll have a look at this in a second. Yeah, I'll have a look at that in a second. Should be all, I think. It's nice. You see these are the plugs that goes in, and you just goes straight into the socket there. But I might use the re-roller, you know, he might use that, but yeah, okay. I'll just clear it. You might see everything vanish in a second.